Hi everyone. Today we will discuss about a new method which is called reduceRight. In the previous video I discussed the reduce, but like I analyzed, this is also a good method to have a knowledge about. So let's get started. Okay. So first of all, what we will be covering is introduction part. What is the array reduce? Why we use it? Syntax and parameters, examples and use cases, and common mistakes. Okay. So introduction. What is the use of array reduce method? It is a method that executes as a reducer function on each element of array from right to left, resulting in a single output. Okay. So the meaning of is this method reduces a collection or here in array into a single value. Okay. Whether this value can itself be a collection, that is a different story. But what it generally does is it reduces a collection to a single value. Okay. Now syntax of this is array.reduceRight. This is your collection name. This is the syntax, the reserved keyword for this reduce right, the callback function, accumulator, current index, and array initial value. Okay. The description for each of this value is mentioned below, like callback function that will be executed on each method here. Excuse me just one second. Okay. Yeah. So accumulator is the kind of a variable that accumulates the output of after each transaction. Current value is the current value of an array of a collection which is being called upon. Index is the position of that current value in the array. Array is itself the collection. Initial value is the starter value which we give, like initializing. Okay. Now examples what we will be covering here is like sum of all the elements, reversing an array, and one advanced use case like building nested objects. Okay. So this is a very simple use case which I'm telling you, but it can be enhanced to more complex scenarios. Okay. Let's get started. Okay. I will be in my VS Code. Let me create a new, okay, reduce right array .js. Okay. Created a method. Let me just create some background here. So what I will be doing is I am doing a sum of all the integers in an array and using the reduce right method. Okay. Const okay. Now reduce right, I will be use accumulator comma element. Okay. Hmm. Okay. This is a very simple example, I know. So it will give us 10. How we calculate, it's just for n plus 1 by 2 logic we can use that also. So it's a natural numbers. So you see 10, it's coming already. Okay. Now what I will do is reversing of an array. Okay. I'll just reverse an array using reduce right. Okay. Let me comment on this. Okay. Okay. Now let's see numbers dot array. Once again, numbers dot reduce right. Okay. So let's see, I have initialized it as an array. So let's see how it behaves. Second. One second. acc push. 1 second, I'm getting some error, let me fix it. Let me, instead of this arrow function, I'll just use it inside. Okay. I'll just let's see. It's coming now. Okay, it's coming now. Okay. Yeah, some syntax error was coming. Okay. Now what you say, sum of all the elements, reversing of the array. Advanced use case, we will be creating a nested objects. Like I'll give you some example. Like nested is 1 level, 2 level, 3 level. Inside the nested objects, we'll try to create using the this reduce right function. Okay, let me just create const keys. Okay, something like that. Okay, level 1, let me do it like this. Okay. Okay, level 2, level 3, level 4. Okay, now what I will do is const value. Okay, now I'll use reduce function. Okay. Now this is dot reduce right. Okay, one second. Array, I'll use key. Okay, I'll create a function, meaning object, and then I will use key colon acc value. This itself is becoming a object. Okay, inner object, and it's returning comma value. I'll use value. Okay, now outcome will be how. You can stop the video and guess, but I'll tell you now. It will be nested, 1 level, 2 and level 3 level inside, like that. Okay, let me do just here json.stringify. Okay. Stringify here, so that it doesn't print actually. Like this JavaScript doesn't print too much inside. Okay, you see this levels ones, we can do more beautify way. I'll use this null comma 2. Okay, you see, like level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4. That's how you can create a nested. Okay, by a reduce function. Okay. So what we have learned, like common mistakes here, like not providing initial value, sometimes confusing reduce with reduce right, misunderstanding the direction of processing. It's always starts from right to left, and this we can see in this one, because first level 4 go inside and this value final value, then next time level 4 final value becomes your accumulator. Okay, here, and that's why level 3 comes, and that's why level 1 is coming in the reverse order. Okay, that's all for this, guys. Thank you, we'll meet again.